This tab estimates state-wise reserves with backward Euler on Thieles' differential equation. Same three forces and same H as the Kolmogorov tab, plus interest, premium, a disability annuity, and a death lump sum. The sheet does not read the probability engine. Force of interest delta is 0.06. Continuous premium 50 while healthy. 1,000 on death from either living state. 100 per year while disabled. Terminal time is 3, and both reserves are set to 0 there. Healthy reserve. Roll the later reserve back with 1 minus delta H. Subtract the premium collected over the step. Then add H times each intensity times the jump in reserve, including the death benefit 1,000. Disabled reserve has no premium. It adds the annuity 100 times H and the death jump from disabled. Excel writes this as a backward fill. It is not circular. F38 looks at F39, not at itself. From a zero terminal healthy reserve, the only surviving piece is H times mu 02 times 1,000 minus H times the premium. 1/2 times 0.08 times 1,000 is 40, minus 25 of premium, so F43 is 15. Disabled. 50 of annuity plus 1/2 times 0.3 times 1,000. That is 50 plus 150, so G43 is 200. Each earlier row feeds on the later one. At duration 2, healthy reserve is 40.05 and disabled is 364. At issue, Excel stores 182.97 in F38 and 773.33 in G38. Disabled reserve is always larger because the annuity is already on and death is more intense. Rebuild recipe. Type the 7 inputs, 0 the last row, and copy the F and G backward formulas up the grid. Premium is a negative sojourn benefit in state 0.